23rd of September 2022 and just see the level of rain that is happening. And the thing about video recording is you never get to see much of the rains, not much of the raindrops in here. But definitely the Viper is working its highest potential, and I'm returning from office, and being in the car can be the most safe thing that you can be when you are traveling. You are so much exposed and vulnerable while you are in two-seater. And today was the day that offers some unexpected rains. In fact, this week has been unexpected. Expecting rains in this season has really not been a norm all this time, but call it the gate entry of the winters, and here we are. So can you see that? And with 60 FPS, it seems like Viper is working even harder, even faster. So that is all from my side today. Can you see the rains? I'll just pause and let you hear the voice.